Papa.
Oh.
Ada Angie sebelah Papa.
Hai Google.
Oke Google. Deket adanya. Oke Google.
La la la.
Hah?
La 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 la.
Hey Google.
La 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 la.
Oke Google.
Google.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Oke Google.
Kapan ulang tahun kamu?
Here are some results, starting with one from TripAdvisor.
No.
Oke
Bisa
Google.
kamu bahasa lain? Hey Google.
Google.
Kamu bisa bahasa lain? Hey Google. Hey Google. I'm bored.
Airport.
Airport.
Airport. Airport.
What's your birthday?
I don't know.
Hey Google.
Hi.
What's your birthday?
Hi.
I was launched in 2016, but Google celebrates its birthday on September 27th, so maybe we can share.
One.
Tanya deh, Mbak.
Who is your boyfriend?
I'm working on myself right now. I improve a little with every update.
Ooh.
Adek. Tanya.
Two. Cucu.
Tanya Mbak.
Okay, Google. Can you speak another language?
Untuk ubah bahasa, tap preferensi di bawah. Kemudian tap asisten, lalu tap bahasa dan pilih satu bahasa.
Hey, Google.
Apa nama asli kamu?
Saya asisten Google.
Asisten.
Hanya itu nama kamu.
Saya tidak mengerti.
Bukan dia postnya.
Google, apa yang bisa kamu lakukan?
Hai.
Anda bisa katakan, bantu saya cari resep makanan, atau bantu saya dapatkan info tentang sejarah dan peristiwa.
Di mana rumah kamu?
Saya tinggal di internet alias cloud, jadi saya bisa langsung meluncur ke gadget Anda kalau dibutuhkan.
Google pernah sakit.
Apa?
Google pernah sakit enggak? Oh, kok disari-nyari sih?
Ya, dipikir dulu.
Caca.
Hey Google. Okay Google, can you know a language of China? Coba ini. Okay Google, do you know language of China? No, malahan foto. Do you know China? Hai Google.
Hey Google,
Pencet itu.
do you know China?
I'm still working on it. I can translate for you. Just ask me for something like, how do you say thank you in Zulu?
Can I teach you something?
Learning is so much fun. I discovered that basketball was first played with peach baskets, which is how it got its name.
Waduh. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What sound do porcupines make when they kiss? Ouch.
Apa Mbak? Lucu apa?
Tuh, diulang. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What sound do porcupines make when they kiss? Ouch.
One more. One more.
What's a computer's favorite beat? An algorithm.
They're an algorithm. Rika, please one more, please. Please two more.
Seorang pembeli hendak memilih burung kakatua. Ada 2 burung di toko itu.
Okay, Google, stop.
To close me, tap the back or home button.
Where is the home button?
According to NDTV Gadgets, tap this circle to expand it to a big box on screen. The square home button at the bottom of the box functions exactly like the physical home button. You can use it to single tap.
I don't know, where is it? It's lost. Here to help.
Google, this is not iPad or iPhone. This is Xiaomi. Apa lagi, Mbak? Enji. Enji na apa, Enji?
Tell me a joke.
Nah,
Tell me a joke. One more joke.
What did Jay-Z call his wife before they got married? Fiance.
V.
Joke lagi, coba. Ulang joke. Okay, Google, tell me a joke another.
What sound do porcupines make when they kiss? Ouch.
Ouch. Kan cium. Kan itu apa itu namanya yang ada duri-durinya tuh? Landa.
Kaktus.
Landa.
Oh iya.
Landa aja dicium belakangnya. Aduh.
Aus. One more.
Okay, Google, tell me another joke. Tell me.
Why do cows have bells? Because their horns don't work.
Artinya mereka tanduk mereka tidak bekerja. Mbak Dinji. Oke. Nah. Tell me another joke.
What did Jay-Z call his wife before they got married?
What?
Fiance.
Kayaknya itu yang lucu. Tunggu.
Apa lagi, Mbak?
Tunggu. Dia pikir ya.
Apa, Mbak?
Tell me the ABC.
Here's the latest news.
Lah.
From ABC News Radio Hourly Newscast at 12:03 p.m. today.
Dinji. Okay.
From ABC News, I'm Todd M.
Okay, Google. Can you help me, please?
Help apa?
Help me to eat candy.
That's me. How can I help?
Help cat eating candy.
Wildfires in Northern California threatening structures and prompting evacuations as the sand fire burns in Yolo County Saturday. ABC's Becca Hebegar
Okay, Google. Where do you live?
Here are some things you can do when your phone's offline.
reports from Esparto, California.
The fire broke out this Saturday afternoon. Yolo County tweeted earlier there is an
What's
evacuation happening. We know that there are multiple agencies responding, many hands on deck for this sand fire. Cal Fire is calling it.
Oke.
Okay.
Apa adek
Burning
nanya
currently.
apa?
No word on containment yet, but here.
Another joke.
What did the football coach say to the broken vending machine? Give me my quarter back.
Like many areas in Northern California, it's dry, it's hot, it's windy, so the conditions are not good for that right now.
And we're hearing overnight that still zero containment. Dangerous wildfire conditions prompted Pacific Gas.
Okay, Google, please stop the noise.
Ini hasil yang saya dapat dari YouTube.
Electric to cut electricity to 16,000 customers.
Please stop the news. Nah, oke.
Ya.
Oke Google, what is my brother's name?
I don't know, but I'll remember if you tell me. What?
Kenzie.
I couldn't find a contact named Kenzie. Can you tell me your brother's name again to make sure I got it right?
Okay Google. Okay Google, please tell me my father's name.
Nama Anda Andi. Anda pernah bilang.
Okay, thank you. My mom.
Okay, in order to remember that okay thank you my mum is your brother, I've created a new contact named okay thank you my mum.
No.
No. Who is my sister name?
Bye bye. Google.
See you next day. Bye bye Google. Bye Google. We will see you next time.
Here are the top search results. The first is from Quora.
No. You will stop. You need to rest.
I'll only take a break if you do, but even then I try to get smarter.
Okay, I will take a break. Goodbye.
What do you want to see?
Google.
To break.
Can I find you?
Can I find you?
I'm here. I'm always ready to help at a moment's notice.
Can we meet at San Francisco?
Have a look at these results, starting with one from Quora.
No. Oke, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jangan lupa ya.
Dadah.
Izin apa? Jangan joke.
Menampilkan gambar yang cocok.
Please take me a joke. My turn. Please tell me a joke. Another joke.
What did the football coach say to the broken vending machine? Give me my quarter back.
Sudah ya, kita mau rekamannya sudah. Bye bye. Jangan lupa like, subscribe channel kita. Dadah.